In our last video, we discussed job posting, local business, organization, person and product schema markup. Now let's move forward. Assalamu alaikum. Hi viewers. I'm Asma. Welcome to my channel Organically Marketing. Go to the tool Schema Markup Generator JSON LD, and after the schema markup of product, we have recipe schema markup. In this, you have to write first of all name of the recipe. After that, write short description of the recipe. You can add keywords here. This is the only schema markup which allows you to add keyword in this schema. Add your image URL plus image if you want to add more images URL. After that, content URL, video URL, and embedded URL means on which page this video exists. Write the name of the creator, date of publish date. After that, preparation time, for example 30 minutes, cooking time, for example 30 minutes, and you can see on my right hand side the total time is already automatically added by this schema markup. Category, for example appetizer, dessert, entry. Cuisine helps you to define the culture, Italian, French, American, whichever recipe it is related to. How many people can eat it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, nutrition serving size, fill the nutrition calories, nutrition fat grams, and add ingredients plus add ingredients. Write your ingredients here. If you want to delete, just click on the cross button. After that, add step here plus add step here, and text of this step 1, name of this step 1, URL of this step, and image of this step. After that, if you want to add more, plus add step. Aggregate rating value is the average rating value. You have to write the number of the ratings. After that, highest value allowed, for example 5 star, lowest value allowed 1 star. If you want to add the review or comment, plus add review, review's name, comment of his or her, rating by giving his or her. You have to select the date, write the author name, review's name, and at the end publisher name will be written here. After the recipe schema markup, we have video schema markup. In this, first of all, you have to write the name of the video, short description of the video, upload date of the video, total minutes of the video, write total seconds of the video, thumbnail URL. If you want to add more, click on plus image. Content, videos URL, and embedded URL is on which platform this video exists. See, token action targeted URL helps the search engines to define the famous videos timestamps without adding timestamps by you. After this schema of video, we have website schema markup. Write the website's name here, URL of the website, internal site search. You have to write the URL with HTTPS without www. For example, if I write the name of my website with www, it is wrong, and I will go to my website and copy the URL with HTTPS and I will paste it here, and you can see this is acceptable by it. If you want to check, just click on Google Rich Test Results. We have already discussed this, and we will also discuss this in our upcoming videos, how to check this code, whether it is valid or not. You can check this. Alright, that's all from today's video, viewers. We will discuss the rest of the schemas in our next video. If you have any queries, you can ask in the comment section, and subscribe Organically Marketing. Thanks for watching. We will meet in our next video.